Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 Birman Cat Facts. The Sacred Cat of Burma. 1. Birman cats are a cat breed thought to originate from Burma, which is modern-day Myanmar. 2. They look similar to Siamese cats, but have some notable differences in appearance and temperament. 3. They have a broad, round face and a fluffy, stocky body with bright blue eyes and small ears. Their tails are short and stubby. Siamese cats have a longer, more slender body and tail, a triangular face with paler blue eyes, and longer ears. 4. The pigments in their fur are heat sensitive like Siamese cats, so the cooler parts of their bodies become dark in color. But usually these parts end up lighter than the cool points on a Siamese cat, and it doesn't affect their toes. Their toes are always white. 5. Their point colors can be several different colors, including red, chocolate, lilac, cinnamon, and frost, as well as a few others. 6. Unlike Siamese cats, Burmans are independent, quiet, and lazy. 7. It is thought that France was given the first Birman cats outside of Burma. It's not known exactly how or why they received them, but some stories say they were stolen and smuggled to France, while another says they were given away as a reward for certain deeds. 8. Supposedly, the breed almost went extinct during World War II. Only 2 remained after the war and had to be crossbred with Siamese and Persians for a few decades until there were enough pureblood Burmans to mate again. 9. As a result of the last fact, this breed doesn't have a lot of genetic diversity and can be more prone to diseases than other cats. And 10. They are more predisposed to feline hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, which is a thickened heart that can lead to heart failure. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.